Let's look at how we can make changes on our items on the desktop. For instance, how can we change the view of our folders? How can we change the size of our folders? How can you change the look of our desktop? You may not change a background, but still you can play around with folders. Now we want to see what could exactly be the folders and how can we change the appearance of our desktop even if we have not changed the background. Here what we shall do, uh, we shall go to to the background of the folder, or you can click in the space, the free space, not in the folder. These are folders, these are folders, then these are files. Then the two, we call them, the combination of these are what we call icons. Don't click on any icon. Now we want to change the appearance of our desktop. Right now the files and folders we are having, they are in small size. Then if you want to make them bigger, you can right click, then you get the drop down menu which has view, sort by, refresh, paste, move, blah blah. Then on to this drop down, just go up to view. When you go to view, let's view icons in a large format or large icons. When you click on large icons, you see our icons have changed. Now if you come and click on, still in the space, don't click on icons, click in space, right click and then say view. When you say view and you click on small icons, our appearance changes back to the first appearance that we had. Then if you come again and you right click, then you say um, view icons in medium range or size, they will also change to medium. That is another way of changing the appearance of our desktop. Then you can right click still on view, then you proceed to auto range, um, align icons to the grid, or show desktop icons, then you disable it. When you click on this and you disable, you see our icons disappear, so we get just a full screen with no icons. So if you want to bring them back, still you just come here, right click, the drop down menu, go straight to show desktop icons. When you click back on desktop icon, the icons will come back. Another procedure could be that we can go to, maybe let's look at a folder. Inside the folder, uh, you open that folder. When it opens, it will arrange, it will show the number of uh, items here. They will be displayed here, number of items in the folder, but still we can change the way our items appear inside the folder. You can right click and then say let's see them in extra large format. You see they have changed to extra large. Still you can right click in the space and say view in list format. They will be listed from up going down. All those are different ways of seeing your work in a computer. You can see the views really differ. You can see that same work let's say, let it be tiles. You see, the appearance keeps changing according to what you have decided. So all these are different ways that you can look at your work. Still, uh, we can say let it be with the contacts. You see, so here we are looking at how our work appears, but still it's the same process. Now we can as well sort or arrange. We can as well sort our folders in the database or inside the folder or on any drive in ascending order or descending order, or we can arrange them according to date of modification or according to type or according to size. Let's use for instance size. You see they have changed from the biggest to the smallest. Or still you can as well say sort them, you arrange them according to ascending order. You see from one going down. That is another way of doing it. Still, you can come and group them by name. You can as well group them by name or by size. You can group them by name. When you group them by name, you see the ones that are just numbers, they appear alone. The ones that are of A type, mm, that has letter A, they could be alone. Still, when you go back and you say group by size, when you group by size, the biggest will be alone and the smallest or the smaller ones will be alone. Maybe we can end there for now.